Okay, I got this ASSA Abloy Vachette or Vachette, not real 100% sure how it's pronounced. I halved it, made two pieces out of it. The lock works smooth. It is locked up. It's a 5-pin. There's the bitting. It's a standard lock. I don't think anything's been done to it as far as challenge lock. I haven't tried picking it, so this is the first time here. We'll start with number 1. Let me try this one here. Alright, I believe that was a little click. Number 1. And my tension slipped. Let's try again here. Number 1. Number 2. A little turn on 3. A little counter rotation. I believe I got it. On 4. Little counter, and it's open. That was pretty easy. I'm kind of surprised by that one. I figured that would be a little bit tougher to open. But I got a couple more that I got with this one. An LOB that's got a wicked keyway. That's probably going to be a tough one. And a Wilka I got and I halved. And an EVA DPI, which is pins and dimples. Which, still trying to get the hang of dimple locks. Got another multi-lock junior cylinder. I opened one, but I got another one. And I got a Garrison from LPL, Lock Picking Lawyer, that I've been playing around with. Trying to get used to the dimples. My grandson is tormenting the dogs. Well, there's why it wasn't so hard. Look at that. Number 5 and even number 3 are right up on it. Yeah. That's why only a couple pins opened it. I wonder why I didn't have to go to number 5. Yep. Alright. I think there's a couple spools in here though. One's a standard. Two's a standard. Three's a standard. Four's a standard. Five's a standard. And I know there's nothing been done to the plug, although it has the flat surface on it. Alright, let's see what's in here. Spool. It's the barrel, or I think some people call them trampoline, maybe. Another spool. And another spool. And a deeper spool, it looks like. So, all security pins in a driver. Just that key bitting made it pretty easy, I guess you could say. So I'm kind of surprised that number 1 was a spool. It kind of just went right on in there for me. Okay. Here is the pins in this ASSA Abloy Vachette or Vachette. All standard key pins. 1 spool, 2, I call them a barrel, and 3, 4, 5 are spools. Alright everyone, as always, thanks for watching. Be good, be safe, be legal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And have a good one, guys. Appreciate it.